welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just hop on here real quick and do a TJ Maxx haul. I have been going ham lately on TJ Maxx ever since moving out to North Carolina because I feel like I just find so much more selection compared to the TJ Maxx's in Hawaii. So let's just dig right in. I got my bag right here full of all my goodies, and I am going to also compare prices, retail prices compared to the prices that I got at TJ Maxx. First thing that I'm going to talk about is the Kat Von D shade and light palettes. I'm pretty sure this only comes in one color, I hope. But I went ahead and picked up this palette. Okay, so I did go ahead and look it up on their site. On Kat Von D's site, it does retail for $49, and the one that I picked up from TJ Maxx only cost me $24.99. And I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys because it's not new or anything, but I will open it up and show you guys. So it does come with the pamphlet to show you how to contour and all that, and then this is the palette itself. It has the shades on the back, and then this is the powders. So very nice product. It does come with the mirror inside, and I was lucky enough to find one that was not swatched. Okay, so also when I found that palette, I also did find this brush, and this is the Shade and Light, I don't know, it's like a double-ended brush, and I cannot, it says contour brush and case. I can't find the brush on their actual website, but all of their brushes retail from like $30 to $34. That's for face brushes, and then some of them go up to like $38, and then the eye brushes are like $24, $27. So considering that I got this face brush for only $16.99, I think that was a pretty good steal. I haven't opened it yet, but I mean, it's a brush. So next product that I found was the STILA Stay All Day bronzer, and this one I got is in the shade Dark. On STILA's website, they retail for $34 and $36, and TJ Maxx had them for only $7.99. This bronzer is so beautiful, and I feel like it's just the perfect shade. So this is the packaging right here, very nice and sleek and simple, and then there is that beautiful bronzer that says STILA right there in the middle. And for retailing $36 and me getting it at TJ Maxx for $7.99, I just had to. I couldn't pass it up, and luckily I found one that wasn't damaged. I went back the next day and I bought another because I know I'm going to be using this up. Another thing from STILA that I found was the Shape and Shade Custom Cream Contour Duos, and this one I got in deep as well. So I don't know if you guys can see those colors. On STILA's website, it retails for $40, guys. $40. And I got this at TJ Maxx for $9.99. So I saved 30 bucks. 30 bucks, guys. And again, I found another one that was not swatched. Beautiful product. I don't often cream contour, but I figured for $9.99 I might as well try it out. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, the only products that I have next to talk about are from Anastasia. So first thing that I found was the ABH concealer. This was the only one that like somebody swatched very lightly. Okay, so I got the shade 4.5, and I'll just show you guys. Somebody had the nerve to open it, and like it was swatched very little. I'm gonna sanitize it, of course, but all the other ones were just ruined, and this one actually still had the plastic. I don't know how that's possible, but yeah. So these retail on Anastasia's site. It retails for $20, and I got this for $6.99. Okay, and then the next thing that I picked up was the Anastasia's waterproof cream color, and the color that I got this in was, I believe, honey. Let me see. Yep, it's honey. So I mainly got this color just because it's a nice flesh tone, and I know it's an eyeliner, like a cream color, waterproof. I figured this would be perfect for using as an eyeshadow base, or even if I want to do like a nude wing liner, so it almost looks like, you know, those liners where it's like a nude space. I thought that would be so pretty. This liner retails for $18. I don't know if you guys can see that. It retails for $18, and I got it for $6.99. Thank you, TJ Maxx. I did get a couple of eyeshadows. They're single eyeshadows. I was so happy to find those. Let me see. Single eyeshadows. Okay, so looking on their site right now, their single eyeshadows retail for $12, and I was able to find 4 colors of their single eyeshadows. So I got the color Gem, which is like a peachy, and it also has like a little bit of shimmer reflex in there. Very, very pretty color. I also found the color Brownie, which is a nice brown color, and it's a shimmer color. So those are beautiful for packing all over the lid. The next color I found was Soft Gold. I feel like this would just be like the perfect highlight color. And then the last color that I got was the color Fawn, and this is just the perfect like transition brown color. So I got all 4 of these shadows. They retail for $12 each, and I got each of them for only $3.99. And they were all untouched, still in the package. I got really lucky with these, so I'm very excited to try these out. Sorry, I'm digging through my bag. Next thing I found was I actually got 7 lip products here. 3 of them are lip glosses. I got the colors in Potion, Socialite, and Venom. And again, these are glosses. On their site, they retail for $16, and they were at TJ Maxx for $6.99. So I saved $9. So this is the color Venom. Beautiful, beautiful color, and it does have a hint of shimmer to it. I never swatched these before. I do really like the applicator on this, so let me just go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that good, but that is Venom. This next one is in the color Potion. It's a very vampy color. This one has no shimmer, so it's not like the other one, but very opaque. There's that swatch. And then this last lip gloss color is Socialite, and it's this beautiful, beautiful color. It's almost like a true red, but it does have like a orangey, almost pink, orangey pink undertone. There's that one swatched. Okay, Next thing I got, like I said, I got 7 lip products, 3 were glosses, and then I got 4 liquid lipsticks. Let me see. The colors that I got were, I can't even see that, sorry guys, Catnip, Vamp, Craft, and Soft Lilac. And I will go ahead and swatch these for you guys as well. Okay, so the first color that I am going to swatch is this color right here. This is called the Catnip. Now I looked up on the ABH website, and these liquid lipsticks retail for $20, and I got them for $6.99, just like the lip glosses. Beautiful colors, and I can't believe that I found it at TJ Maxx for such an affordable price. Like, it's crazy. So that right there is Catnip. And then the next color that I'm going to swatch for you all is Craft. It's almost like Catnip, but a little bit deeper, darker, more of like a pink plum color. I really love these applicators. I have not had any liquid lipsticks from ABH, surprisingly. I just never wanted to pay the $20 for it, but $6.99, I couldn't pass it up. So this one, what did I say? This one is Craft, so a little deeper than Catnip was. The next color that I got was Soft Lilac. This is a beautiful color as well. It is pretty light for my taste, but I feel like if you are close to my complexion or deeper, a good way to make lighter colors work like this is to use like a flesh tone lip liner and then go with this in the center of the lips and blend it out into the lip liner. And that way it's not so harsh, like going from a light color to your dark complexion. So that's a good way to kind of even out your look. So these are actually kind of similar. So this is Soft Lilac, and it's kind of similar to Catnip, but just a tad lighter. But all in all, very beautiful color. And then the last liquid lipstick that I got, that I was so happy this lady found it for me, because I was just like, yes, this is my kind of color. So this is in the color Vamp, and it's like a muted, like reddish brown color. I don't know how to describe it. That's what it looks like in the tube anyway. Swatching, it's just like a vampy brick red. That's what it looks like right there. Beautiful colors, beautiful pigmentations. I am just like, thank you. So I have been very, very, very obsessed with going to TJ Maxx. I feel like they always have like such great deals, and I was so excited to find all of this stuff, and my husband, being so supportive, he's just all like, if that's what you want, babe, if that's what you want. And I was actually gonna buy this stuff for myself, but being the loving husband that he is, he grabbed it out of my hand and he just paid for it. And then for Christmas, he gave me a $100 gift card to TJ Maxx. So when I went the other day, that's when I picked up one more of the lip colors and the concealer and one more of the eyeshadows. I found it. They did not restock, but I found it. And just so happened I didn't have it, so I was like, yes, I can use some of my gift card, and I was so excited. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I got from TJ Maxx. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. If you guys want to see any in-depth reviews or me using any of these products, then just comment down below and I'll try to get that out for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new here and you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to join my little ohana that I have here going on. And if you guys are an oldie but a goodie, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate all you guys' support. Don't forget to like this video if you guys found it helpful, and if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and comment it down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear feedback. Like I said in my previous video, I do have a lot of goals for myself and for my channel this year, so I need you guys' help. You guys gotta help me. So yeah, that is it for my haul video. I'm about to go and film some more because I do have a ton of makeup that I have accumulated this past year while I was MIA. But yeah, just stay tuned for those next videos. Thank you guys so much again for being here with me today, and I hope you guys have a good day. Aloha.